Hi, I'm Ashoojit Kaur Anand. I'm the Clinical Director at PCMH Restore Health at Sheshadripuram, Bangalore. I'm also the Director and Co-founder of Aveksha, which is a home-based primary care program at PCMH Restore Health. My expertise is in palliative care and geriatric care. We provide home-based services for those who are in need of it. What is a coronavirus? So coronavirus is a zoonotic virus. That means it has been found in animals and does not normally live in human beings. But it gets transmitted from animal to human beings to the people who are handling animals very closely or the animal products. And if the animal is infected with the coronavirus, it gets transmitted to the humans. So there have been about 2 viruses which have been identified in the past, which is the SARS coronavirus and the MERS coronavirus. The SARS was the one which was identified in China in the year 2003 and which was transmitted from the civet cat to the humans. The MERS coronavirus was the one which was found in Saudi Arabia in the year 2012, and this was transmitted from camel to the human beings. So now the new one, which is called the N coronavirus, that is the novel coronavirus, was identified in December 2019 for the first time in China. And we still haven't identified as to which is the animal which could have transmitted this infection to the humans. Since it's a very recent infection and the SARS and the MERS are there for a long time, but we haven't been able to develop a vaccine to actually prevent coronavirus infection. But studies and research is ongoing and we should come up with something in the near future.